ain't no good. That's true, things ain't going like they should. It's all on you, I don't care about what you think you see. Things you want to know when you look at me. God knows that I've been through, I've paid my dues. Can't control how you feel, cause it's all on you. Ho, ho, it ain't no good. Okay, I'm Vasco and today we're taking a look at All Good by Della Soul. It's basically just 3 chords, but I'll show you how to play it in 2 different keys. In the key that I played in the intro is a different key, and I'll also show you how to play it in the original key, but it's not really fitting my voice that way, so that's why I did the intro in another key. And also I think that it fits the ukulele a little bit better. The tricky thing definitely is the strumming pattern. We're going to work a little bit more on that because it has some offbeat strums and you see. But grab your ukulele and let's go. Okay, the original song is in the key of A minor, and we have 3 different chords. The chord of A minor, then the chord of D minor, the chord of E minor, or I think it's better if you play it E minor 7, back to A minor. These are the 3 chords, but I'm going to show you in the key that I played it. We replaced the A minor with E minor. That way the higher tone that you can hear in the instrumental is on the A string, and I think it fits better. So E minor, then we have A minor, but grab like this, like G minor. From the bottom to the top it's 3, 5, 4. And we're avoiding the A string, although even if you play it, it is A minor 7 like this. And we're replacing the 3rd chord with B minor 7. So we are barring the A and E string on the 3rd fret and the C string on the 6th fret. Avoiding the G string again. Okay, so let's see the bars. 1 bar of E minor, 2, 3, 4, 1 of A minor. Then the 3rd one is A minor to B minor 7. Okay, splitting a bar and getting back to E minor, right? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we're repeating this throughout the whole song. And I think that now is the time for the strumming. So it is down, down, up, but the downs and the ups are on very specific places. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and my right hand is constantly moving through the strings, but my left hand is pressing only on certain times. So if we slow it down, it will sound something like this. If it ain't no good, that's true. Things ain't going like they should. It's all on you. If it ain't no good, that's true. Things ain't going like they should. It's all on you. Okay, that's a little bit challenging. But I know how to make it easier. In the learning materials you can find the interactive tab which you can slow down, teach your right hand and your left hand how to work in sync on a slower tempo, and after that speed up the tempo little by little, and you'll find out how easy it gets when you practice like that. But the most important part is to never stop running the hand here, and that way even if you strum sometimes that it's not on the right place, you stay in time, which is the most important thing, especially for a hip hop song where if somebody is rapping over you, well, you should be on time definitely, because otherwise it will mess up with the rapping. It will mess up with the singing as well. So it's really important to be in time, not just in this song, in any song, but in this is a little bit more tricky because we have the strums on very weird places throughout the bar. And this sums up my tutorial for All Good by De La Soul. Thank you very much for watching. It will be helpful if you have the printable in front of you, and also the interactive tab will help you big time. Check them out in the link in the description. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me on the next video. Goodbye.